Hello, so let's talk about generate layout. So user has to first create a project like apartment, then it has to select a location, then building category like residential. We have to make an apartment. User can also select like transport, buildings, industrial, healthcare, educational. And then after selecting building category, user has to select building type, apartment. After all that, user has to click on add project. Then user opens the project. So there are two options. We can generate the floor plan using AI or manually. So first I have to show how to generate it with AI. So first user has to click on choose floor. After that, user has to select a floor like typical floor, basements, tilt, terrace, ground. So I select typical. After that, user has to enter an area of like 200 square meter, 100 square meter. So this is area. After that, user has to select rooms like master bedroom, one bedroom, one study room, two attached toilet, living room, dining room, kitchen, puja room. So after that, user has to click on generate layout using AI. This is for AI only. So when user click on that, it goes to our model and fetches the layout plan. So this is our layout plan. After that, user has to calibrate it, like this is 10 by 10 meters. So when user like this is 10 by 10 meters, so it is calibrated for 10 by 10 meters or 10 by 15 meters. After that, user has to go to render and render the floor layout. So this is an AI image. Then user uses the AI image, choose the style and then render image. User can also give additional prompt too. So this is the AI image. User can also import it. So this is for the AI version. So now we have to do it manually. So how we can do it? So user has to go to floor area, then create a floor plan. Create a floor. Like this is our floor area. User also can rename that. Then user can draw rooms like this is our bedroom, this is our living room. User can also fix that too. Okay, so after that user can also add doors. Like this is our entrance. This is one more door. This is another door. This is another door. Also add windows. User can also see the 2D and 3D in the same screen also. So like this was our 3D, this was our 2D, and user can also see the doors properties like single, double, left-sided, right-sided. So these all are the door properties and these all are the windows properties. User can also increase the height of the wall and increase all the wall's height by one button. So we have one more thing like material. User can also uses material for the doors and all. There are many window types too, like double hung, single hung, cement, sliding fix. Then we come to walkthrough menu. In this, user also can open a walkthrough menu separately or directly select it from here, like create path. So we have to first go to this, then this, then this, then this. So it follows the path. User also can record the video, like record video. So it start running. So like it goes to third point, then goes to fourth point, then goes to fifth point. And there are FPS option also, where user can select the like 60 FPS, 50 FPS, everything. So these are our generate layout options. With Design Drafter, floor planning becomes faster and smarter. Design Drafter. The future of design isn't manual anymore. It's already here.